Hi, our sample line is created successfully. Now we are going to draw our multiple cross section. For this purpose, we need to go to the section view. From here, if we click on our section view, then we can see here different type of option. Number first is create multiple section view, create section view, and project object from multiple section view, project object to section view. So as per your requirement, you can select any option from here. If you need only one section, you can select create section view. If you need multiple cross section view, you need to just click on multiple cross section view. So click on this. Once you click on this toolbox will open, and here we have different type of information. One is a journal, section placement, offset range, elevation range, and section display option. We can see it here, and also we have the data bands which we provide to the sections. First of all is alignment. If you have multiple alignment, you need to select your required alignment. And here is the sample line group which we created. If you have different type of sample line, you can select it from here. And here is the station range. We have automatic. So from here to here we have almost 4.7 kilometer road. And here is the user specified. If you need a user specified a specific length, you can select it, but we need to keep it automatic. And here is the section view name. If you want to change the name, you can easily change the section view name from here. And here is the description, here is the layer, and here is the section view style. We have two style, land stop and road sections. So we will select the road one, basic one. If you want to do any changing in the road section, you can click on this, and from here you can see different type of option. Here is the graph for the section, you can change it, and here is the grid. You can even change the vertical option from here easily. And also once you create, after the creation, you can change the section view style easily from here. And here is the grid. If you want to change the grid, you can easily change it from here. If you want to make it clipping, you can just check here the title annotation, horizontal axis, vertical axis, display colors. If you want to change the display color, line width, line type, you can change from here. This all detail I already explained in the profile section. You can also check the videos there, and as per this process you can also change for the cross section graph views. So next we will click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, here we have pick a placement option. Here if you want to provide any template, you can select the template from here, as I explained for the plan and production. If you want to create your own, or you can import, you can easily import this from these three dots. So click OK, because we are going to draft place in the same drawing. We don't need any template. If you need, you can change here template and you can use this one. So click on this draft, and here is the basic. If you want to do some changing in the group plot style, you can just do it from here. Array, plot area, display, you can see here the display color, and here is the array, how it can be viewed. You can just select it, upper left, center line, uniform per row, and here is the space between adjustment section, 12 mm and 12 mm. You can change it easily. So click OK. Once you click on OK, you again need next. Here is the offset range. You can see offset 25 meter left, 25 right. If you need it is specified, you can change from here. Keep it automatic. Next. Once you click on next, here is the elevation range. If you want to provide user specified, you can provide from here. And once you click here, also you can change this EG corridor or anything. Keep it automatic. And next. Once you click on next, here you can see select a band set. If you need any band set, you can just select it from here. Offset only, measure station and offset elevation. So if you need this one, you can just select this one. If you don't need, later we will explain about the bands. So click offset only and click on create sections. So here we already selected our offset horizontal. You can see it from here. You can just click on create section view. Once you create, now it will ask you in the command bar that select your origin where you want to draw your cross section. So we will click here somewhere. Once you click, your all multiple cross section will start to display here. Now you can see here is your multiple cross section. If you want to show labels on your assembly, you can make it, you can change the style from here. Select this one, view edit. Now you can see that your label is shown on this section. So if you want to show on all, you can go to the group, and from the group you can easily change it. So now let me explain here. Let me explain in this one. It's easy. You can see here, this is your ground surface. On 320 in the alignment, if you check in the alignment here, yeah, on the 320 here, how your ground is going almost here. On the 320, how your ground, existing ground is going. So now you can see that your this ground line, if you keep cursor on this line, you can see that this is your existing ground. You can see all the details here. This is existing ground, and here is your SL line, sample line, and here is your chainage, and you can see EG C road section. You can see all the details here. So this is your existing ground, and here we have our assembly which we assign and use as a corridor, so we can see our center median as per our requirement. So I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next. Goodbye.